Hello, I posted a few videos about how to set a universal TV remote control, and I always get hundreds of comments about brands that are not supported by the remote. In this video, I will show you a device that can control any TV brands and models with 100% success. This is an infrared blaster dongle for your phone, and you can get it online for less than $5. Once you install the app by scanning the QR code on the box and insert the device to your phone, you will be able to find thousands of TV brands on the app to choose from. You can not only control any TV by your phone, but also other devices like air conditioners and projectors. I will put the link of the product below in the description. Thank you for watching, and leave a comment with your TV brand name, and I will check if it is available on the application.